Okay. We're at the Christmas tree farm. Are you walking behind me because you don't want to be on film? Yeah. Figured. Sarah. Sarah. Hi.
You gotta go get a tree. You gotta go play with the animals while we're waiting for the...
Let's go get the animals. Come on. Whoa. Child falls. Oh no. Where'd you lose it? She lost her glove.
Greg? Greg? Her glove might be in the van. Do you have your keys? I don't have my keys.
I cannot film her. Oops. I'll film over here. Trying not to film you. A car. Gotta get out of the way before I get run over. Where's the face? Oh. We're going to pick out the tree now. Here are the fir trees.
We're going to pick out the tree now.
We're going to pick out the tree.
Sarah, wait! Gotta watch out for the stubs. For the stumps. Stubs or stumps?
Stumps. I believe it's stumps, but you call it whatever you want. Look at all of these beautiful trees. Holes and stumps.
Watch out for holes and stumps. I see 3 of them already, Rose.
Okay. I think I will opt for these types of trees. Which one?
This one right over here that Greg's standing by?
We'll look at the perspective Christmas tree.
See the stump?
Yeah, look how full this is all the way around.
A tree used to be there like that.
Things all the way around. Isn't
Cut
it?
it down and took it home. You know, there's just the stump left.
You want that one? And yours got to pick one out.
We're not picking one out from here.
Sarah, you want to take this tree home?
Yeah.
Go stand by the tree.
I'll help you, Daddy.
Let me get a picture of you guys in front of the tree. Come on.
Here.
Come on. Sarah, you too.
Go by the tree, honey. Go by Rosie, because I'm going to take a still picture.
Isn't this cute? Hey,
Now look at Mama.
show the saw, Rose.
Smile. Cheese. Get your hand down front of your face.
Don't try to
Look at
pick
me,
your
Rose.
nose. Okay. In the wild part of tree heaven, here we are.
What kind of tree are you going to get, dear?
I think I'm opting for those over there. That's what Mom wants.
What?
One of those short needled trees.
Short needle tree.
Over there, the fir trees or the...
Oh, those?
Yeah. Here, I'll get some action shots of Greg sawing down the tree. This live, in-your-face action is brought to you by Cheer.
Sarah, it's going to fall that way.
Sarah's gonna
Okay. We'll just move. Okay. Yep, yeah, it's coming towards me. It's coming my way. There we go. There it is.
You're supposed to be holding it.
The tree.
Oh, we'll put it back. Right now until Aunt Jerry picks out one. Don't touch that. Rose.
Is there a
Real,
other?
real sticky.
What?
Stuff.
Yeah. It should be planted in 89.
10 years old.
How many?
10 years old, she said.
10.
10 years old. So it was planted in 1986. Wow.
Well, we cut it down in 1990.
Isn't that sad? The death of a tree. The death of the tree. Sarah.
Well, honey,
I'm wearing that
well, don't pick it up by that, honey. It might break. Better just to drag it like this.
Okay.
Every year we get one of these same kind of stinking trees.
Why do you get these kind of stinking trees? These kind of stinking trees stink.
What?
Gotta get those kind.
Aunt Jerry gonna pick one out?
Yeah. I'm going this way.
Where?
That way.
Of these little things?
Yep. Mom wants a short needled tree. And that is your short needled tree.
I don't think those are big enough. Well, are those big enough?
Well, sure. Of course they are. There's one right there. They gotta go back, probably in the orchard. In the pine orchard.
There's a whole bunch of other ones way in the back.
Where?
See that little one right there?
Oh, Mom, Kelly found a Christmas tree for you. The perfect tree. Look. There it is. Put some lights on it. It's beautiful. Oh, holy night. The stars are brightly shining. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Very lovely. Very lovely indeed. I am. I always do this type thing. It's just who I am. Hey. Hey, Sarah, where are you going? These are big enough. This one's nice. This one right here. I like this one.
Sarah, wait for me. Sarah, stop, honey. Stop.
See how well Sarah listens to her mother.
There's one right there. Sarah, stop.
Ooh, she's getting in trouble. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm filming Kelly. Oops. I'll fade out. We are now going to get the infamous tree. Use a cutter. Where's Rose? Huh? Woo! What a trip. Picture of you with a horse. Aren't they nice? Hi. Hey, horse. You are nice. Yes. What a big animal. Does not like me. That sheep doesn't like me. Whoa, sorry. Okay. You wanna pet the horsey?
It's right on the ground.
You wanna pet the horsey?
Flat out like this. And the horse
Did he get it? Hard to reach.
You can pet him. He likes his neck. Mommy, he likes his neck. Sorry about that. He likes his neck.
There you go.
Yeah, I'll take that as a yes.
Wait, he's got to finish chewing what he's got.
I'll take that as a yes.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. No.
You want me to videotape you getting a treat?
No, I don't want to be on tape. Here it is. Here's the tree. Greg, show the tree. There's the tree that we shall cut down and put on our house. Okay. Isn't it cute? Very wide. Always go for the wide trees. They have a little meat on their bones. Here it comes. Okay. Get some action shots because it's a little boring. Okay, there it goes. Yay! There's the tree. Okay. Let's see it. Where's the bottom? There it is. Hot dog. Out of all the trees in the woods, this is the tree for us. I feel like that Niagara Falls video. Whoa, what is that? Okay. Hey, save those. Might want to use them for something. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la.
Gotta have a stump.
Yeah, that's helpful. Yeah. You think that's enough?
Well, for now.
We don't have a saw though.
No, I got one at home.
Okay. And we're off with the tree. The tree. The others got tired and went back to the homestead to feed the animals and such. Didn't want to go on the Christmas tree find with us. So I went and found a tree.
I almost wiped out of it.
Huh?
I almost stole my ass again.
Do it. It makes great film. Yeah. Going back back to school again. Whoa, whoa, I gotta go back to school again. Has nothing to do with Christmas, just felt like singing. La da da, la da da da, la da da da, la da da da, la da da da, da. Hope this is, good enough. That's not the right time, the way. Yes, it is. Yep, that's the right time. It's almost 1 o'clock. Here it goes. The nice looking young man is taking our tree. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's gonna shake our tree. An action shot. That's a nice looking young man. Okay. Wow. The trees are being shaken. Rose is still by the horse. Hey Sarah, did you pet the... What? Oh, please pay here.
We got bags here too if you want one right now.
Yeah.
You want a bag right now or no?
I want one to put it up, yeah.
We don't have any. You want to get one here or no?
They got them here yet or not?
Are you filming me?
I'm just filming your face.
What's the matter, honey?
Come here.
Look up at Aunt Jerry.
Look at me. I'm filming you. Hi. Look at me, Sarah.
Is this the money you're supposed to pay for the tree with?
Yes.
What you want, right?
Yeah. Tree bag.
How much are these?
Did you pay for a tree?
Yeah, I could trade for them.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm just filming you. It was a fur.
Fine. You want that kitty? I think that's their kitty, sweetie. These two and are you paying?
Hey, Rosie. Sarah, come here.
Okay,
Sarah.
that's 20 and this big, they're 2. So
Come here. Sarah, pet the sheep. Come on. Say, come here.
There you go.
Right here. Well, I seem to be interested in other things.
Me and Blackie would do the same thing.
Here, Sarah.
there you go.
Thank you.
And Merry Christmas.
Very good.
You're a reader, huh? Okay. There you go, Sarah. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Hi, did you get a coloring book? Well, here. Kind of doing double duty today, so I wasn't out there to give you one, okay? Merry Christmas. Do you have a sister or brother?
I do. I have 2 brothers.
Do they? Would they like one too? Are they here today? Okay, well why don't you hold it for them? Would you do that? That's what sisters are for. Good for you.
You want to put your hat on?
Yeah. Would you like some hay to feed the horses? I'll take some of it.
Mommy.
Sarah, say something cute. You never talk. Darn it, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting.
What?
To not film you. Starting at the Christmas tree farm.
Yeah, right here would be good. Oh no, I'm sorry, further on down. There you go.
The trees are loaded, and the smell of pine and Greg's cigarette smoke is in the air.
Hey, this one's ours. That one's grandma's and aunt theirs over there. No, don't do that. Push it in there, it'll crunch it up.
Okay. And this is the tree farm. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Wait, bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Sarah, say bye. What? Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Cal.
Bye.
Hey.
Bye.
Tic-tac.
Bye.